Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to turn this and this into this. Today we're going to show you how to clean the outside of the unit, the inside, the element, as well as the food basket. Now typically I would recommend to clean this after every use, but I asked my roommates to leave this for a few weeks, see what accumulated, so we can make a really good video on how to clean it. It normally doesn't look like this, but today it does, for your pleasure. I would like to thank my roommate Jenna for the many times she's eaten bacon and shrimp, probably about 5 to 6 times. If you think this is bad, I'd hate to see what one looks like in a frat house. Before you start, you're gonna need vinegar, Dawn dish soap to cut that grease, and baking soda. These three make the dream team. You're also going to want a non-abrasive cloth, preferably microfiber. Let's start with the food basket and the basket holder. Pop out the food basket. Now use a dry paper towel to remove the hardened grease from the food basket holder. Then just throw that in the trash. Now we're going to want to let the food basket holder and the food basket soak for a little bit, so fill the sink up with hot soapy water and start cleaning. And just let that sit for a bit, and we're going to go back over here to the main unit. For your cleaning mixture, add a teaspoon of baking soda, vinegar, and a splash of Dawn. This is what you're going to use to clean the interior as well as the outside of the air fryer. Baking soda and vinegar's cleaning and deodorizing properties work wonders, and the Dawn really helps to cut that stuck-on grease. This cleaning combo is a gentle abrasive, and it's not going to hurt your air fryer. Vinegar is an acid that is an effective, non-toxic alternative to popular cleaners, including bleach. It deodorizes and is often used for removal of stains, mold, and rust. This combo is going to help lift stuck-on food and grease from your air fryer. And the Dawn helps cut that stuck-on grease. In order to clean the element, you're just going to flip the air fryer over so you can get a good view of what's going on in there. Just start scrubbing. As you can see, the vinegar, baking soda, Dawn combo is working just fine. If you find that you can't get the grime off with just a microfiber or a dish rag, then try using a soft brush. You can also use a non-abrasive dish brush or a toothbrush to help loosen the food and clean the grease off. And check out that awesome before and after. Again, the best thing you can do is don't delay your cleaning. You're gonna regret it. Do not allow the crumbs and bits of food to sit overnight. The basket drawer will be a complete nightmare. Stuck on food, left in for days. It's not pretty, it doesn't smell good. And in the end, you're just gonna make more work for yourself. Now let's check on the basket and the basket holder. After they've had a nice initial soak, add your vinegar, baking soda, Dawn concoction to the basket drawer. Give it a nice scrub. This is going to take off any leftover existing debris. After your basket's had time to soak, the food and debris should come off much easier. If you're having trouble getting the grime out of the holes in the basket, by all means, use a soft bristle brush. You can even use a toothpick or a wooden skewer to help push any stuck-on bits that are caught in the food basket holes. At this point, there shouldn't be any baked-on grease left. If you're looking for any additional information about this particular air fryer, check out our video how to use an air fryer Kalorik 3.5 quart air fryer review. I'll put a link in the description below. This is an amazing household item, but that means that it's going to get dirty quick because there's going to be lots of use. Once you're done rinsing them off, set them aside to air or towel dry. Knowing how to clean and care for your air fryer isn't hard, but it's essential to do it the right way in order to extend the life of your appliance. This thing will go a long way if you treat it right. Make sure to check your manual because your air fryer might be different from mine. Make sure you know which parts are dishwasher safe and which aren't. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for joining us on our episode this week on how to clean your air fryer, and check out some of our other amazing videos. We'll see you next week. This is Miss Delicious signing out.